Okay, so this chapter basically is chapter 9 and its title is service processes. So basically a service process contains a service package which includes a supporting facility like where the service is, like it could be a store like Walmart. The next one is facilitating goods. It could be like what you're buying, some of the items. So like if you wanted to go buy like a basketball, you could buy it from like Academy or something. And then the information is like the payment, like the credit cards. And then there are explicit services, which are the benefits that you get from getting the basketball. And then there's implicit services that basically are psychological benefits that you don't really realize and they are there. Next is designing service organizations. So you design a service and you you can't base your inventory on what you want, but you have to base it on what the customers want. You should always aim for like the median. You can't have too much, else you're not gonna make a profit and the price is just gonna go down. Um, you before you order an item, you should get like a survey so you can help with like who wants to wait for that item, who doesn't. So there are a lot of ways services can be designed. They could be through mail. Some of the services can be like on the internet, like Amazon. Some of them could be like phone contact, like you call this person and they'll set up an order for you. Um, as If you keep on meeting with the customer on products, your product efficiency is going to keep on going down because they're going to keep bothering you on what they want and not, and you're going to get off task, and that basically allows the system to work more efficiently. So with technology rising, there's virtual services becoming more and more uh, like our daily lives. Like Amazon, for example, you can just go online, just search whatever you want, add it to a cart, and you can just pay for that. There's some mixed virtual and customer contacts like YouTube and Wikipedia. There are three service designs. One of them is the product line approach, the other one is self service, and the other one is personal attention approach. The product line is like it's basically like how it's treated in manufacturing. It's a line and you just wait there, and then once it's your turn you get called. And then the self service is like there's no one that's going to greet you, and it's like an ATM basically. You just enter the information and then it's done. The next one is managing customer introduced variability. So how should you accommodate the customer? Is there a trade-off, or is there a trade-off between cost and quantity? If you keep on accommodating the customer, your costs are going to go up. And but however, if you don't accommodate your customer, you won't be the customer is going to be less satisfied, and you won't be making money. There are five types of variability. The first one is arrival variability. When the customer arrives and say there's a long line and there's just not enough people to help that customer. The next one is requestive variability. So the customer wants to request like a room at a hotel with a certain view, and if you don't have it, then it just looks bad. Then there's capability variability, and next one is effort variability, and the last one is subject variability. Applying behavioral science to service encounters. The customer should be the one in control. They should like feel as if they're the ones giving orders, not the person that's serving them. And then there are service guarantees as design drivers. It's basically better to guarantee something even though you and when you have none. Like at least say you're gonna have it on time, even if it's not like a working product involved. You don't want to make the customer sound board. Like he won't if you use legal terms, the customer's not going to understand what you want, and it's not going to be clear. And if the customer's clear on the product, he's going to be happy and more likely to buy it. And then there's service blueprinting and fail safing. Basically, a blueprint is how the service is going to be designed, and a fail safing is basically making sure that even if it fails, the customer is going to get what he wants. Like there's going to be backups to it. And a well-designed system is user-friendly, it's cost-effective, it allows the job to be done easier, it has good performance, and it manages the service so that customers see the value.